I grew up in the outskirts of Atlanta, Georgia, moved around a few times, and I actually heard of UAB because my grandfather went to medical school here, and just hearing the stories about Birmingham, visiting here a few times, got me interested initially. And within the first year of starting here, I just fell in love with the campus, the people here. I started at a smaller university in Georgia, and granted it was during the pandemic, but I just felt really isolated, like I didn't have any ways to get involved and make a difference in my community. And when I came here, I felt like I was overwhelmed with opportunities to get involved and to work with people that actually cared. And this was the first time in my life that I actually felt like I'd found my people that I could call my family. I started going to the rec center here and kind of liked it, something different. And eventually, I think that I found this sense of strength in myself that I didn't know existed before. I've never been very athletically talented, but I was like, wow, I can lift a lot of weight. And so I kind of just kept with it and joined the team and just found a lot of like-minded people that just encouraged me to show up every day and give it my all. I think powerlifting teaches you lessons beyond just the gym. Finding the motivation to show up every day, even when you don't want to, helps you to build this confidence in yourself. The main three initiatives that we served for the Leadership and Service Council were MLK's Beloved Community, Into the Streets, and Rise Against Hunger. So we have these three signature service events, which are large scale. The entire UAB community is invited. We've been doing it for, I believe, over 20 years now. And we send students out into the community and with various Birmingham service partners they serve. It's a great bonding experience to work with your fellow students for a common cause. For me, my experience with student affairs at UAB was deeply gratifying. It felt like the effort that I put into the roles that I held here and the experiences that I had was returned to me in multitudes. I felt like everything I did was worth it in shaping who I am today. And I think so much of a college education comes outside of the classroom. I genuinely feel that I would not be the person that I was today if it wasn't for the experiences that I had and the people I met during my college experience here.